The 6 line at 3707 Blackstone Avenue. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. Walk in. Nice large closet for storage and unit washer dryer. Brand new. Nice size closet. Beautiful kitchen. A U-shape. All soft touch. You have a dishwasher right over here. A gas stove. Beautiful backsplash. Really nice design all around. Here is your living room with a balcony. So half of it is going to be split. It's going to be split in half right where that black beam is over there. And that's facing 237. A massive hallway with the closet right over here. Central AC and heating. Here's the first bathroom. Closet over here. Bedroom number 1. Nice and spacious, huge windows, large closet. Bedroom number 2 also has a closet in there, big window, nice size. Bedroom number 3 over here, which is the master bedroom. With an ensuite bathroom, 2 sinks, a stand-up shower, a tub, extremely spacious and beautiful. And here is your master bedroom, which is also really spacious. Nice closet space and a really nice light coming in as well. This is facing 237. There you have it.